Let's be real, AI can feel overwhelming. There are hundreds of tools out there, and it's easy to wonder which ones actually matter for my business. Good news, you don't need all of them. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that every woman entrepreneur should try first. They're simple, powerful, and they'll save you hours right away. Hey, I'm Whitley, founder of Creatively We Design. I help women-led brands go from DIY and scattered to profitable in 90 days with my Launch and Scale framework. This month, I'm dropping 30 videos on how to use AI to launch and scale smarter. And today's video covers ChatGPT, your content and copywriting assistant, Canva Magic Studio, your design partner, Descript, your video and podcast editor, Notion AI, your productivity brain, and Copy AI, your email marketing helper. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. This is the foundation. Everyone knows about it. Everyone uses it. Think of it like your on-demand brainstorming partner. You can use it for caption, email drafts, blog outlines, even scripts like the one I'm reading now. Here is a prompt example that you can put in ChatGPT. Write 5 Instagram captions for a women-led coaching business. The tone would be encouraging, conversational, like I'm talking to a friend. Each caption should end with a simple call to action. What would happen is you would get instant drafts. Your job is to tweak them so they sound 100% like you, but you can use ChatGPT anytime you're stuck staring at a blank page. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. If designing isn't your strong suit, because it's not mine, this will be your new best friend. You can literally tell Canva what you want, and it creates templates, graphics, and even presentations for you. Here's a prompt that you can put in ChatGPT or into Canva Studio. Create an Instagram carousel about 3 mistakes women entrepreneurs make when building their first website. Use bold, modern fonts and warm color palette. In seconds, Canva gives you a starting design. Then you just swap in your branding colors, fonts to make it yours. It takes the heavy lifting out of creating professional-looking visuals. Tool 3, Descript. Tool 3 is Descript, which is amazing for video and podcast editing. Here's why I love it. Instead of wrestling with complicated software, Descript turns your video into a transcript. You literally edit your video by editing the text, delete a sentence in the transcript, and it's gone from the video. It can also remove filler words like ums and uhs automatically. Here's an action example. Upload your video, then click remove filler words and let Descript clean it up instantly. If you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, or even client trainings, this tool will save you hours. Fourth is Notion AI. Notion itself is a productivity app, but with AI built in. It becomes like your second brain. You can ask it to summarize meeting notes, brainstorm blog ideas, or even draft standard operating procedures for your businesses. Here's a prompt example. Summarize these meeting notes into 3 action items for my VA. Or draft a 5-step onboarding checklist for a new photography client. This is perfect if you're juggling multiple projects and need to stay organized without rewriting everything from scratch. And lastly, Copy.ai. This one specializes in marketing copy. It's great for brainstorming product descriptions, ad headlines, or even email campaigns. Here's a prompt that you can put promotional emails for a women-led e-commerce brand launching a new holiday gift set. The tone will be warm, fun, and family-oriented. It'll give you instantly. You can mix and match lines, then edit to fit your exact voice. It's like having a mini marketing team you can tap into anytime. Let's recap the 5 AI tools to start with. ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming, Canva Magic Studio for design, Descript for editing, video, and audio, Notion AI for organization and productivity, Copy AI for marketing copy. Start with these 5 and you'll cover the big areas of content, design, systems, and sales. If this was helpful, hit subscribe and keep watching my 30 Days of AI series. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to turn AI into your personal marketing research assistant so you can understand your audience in minutes and build offers that they can't resist. And don't forget to grab my free mini email flow map in the description. It's a great first project to test out with AI and see how powerful this really is. Remember, AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. And with these 5 free tools, you'll see just how much time you can save.